Alright guys, you ready? Let's reveal what my boy sent me. What is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call video, and this is from my buddy DerekMarr. If you haven't checked out his channel, go ahead and swing by, show him love and support, and of course let him know the Mustang Hunter sent you. I did get this package this morning. I do recall the cars that are in here. In our messages, this should be the new Camaro and Corvette, I believe, from, was it DIECAST? Haven't been able to find those in this area, so my buddy hooked it up. So let's go ahead and open it up and check them out. Alright guys, let's do this. Look at that. I think he sent me more than what I was originally intending. Alright guys, you ready? Let's reveal what my boy sent me. Oh yeah. Check that out guys. The new recolor of the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. This is a super clean car, and I seen this at the cubby hole when I went. I really wanted to find it out in the wild, and I just have not been able to get my hands on it. But this is out of the Hot Wheels J Imports, which I think this series is really nice. But check this out guys. You do have, looks like a metallic flake to it. I don't know if this is black or if it's supposed to be a really dark navy blue with flake. I'm just gonna go ahead and say, yeah, it's a super dark navy blue, almost black, with the gold PR5s. And then of course, check out that detailed tail lights. The license plate's actually in white. And then of course, coming to the front, you have some really nice headlight detail. And of course, you do have the STI right there on the lower fog lights. But this looks really good. I love this recolor for E-Case. Then of course, she's gonna fit in beautifully with the blue as well as the red variations I do have right there. So thank you so much for sending me this one. And then check this out guys, new for the Mattel games, it's the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gaster with the Guster tampos all over it. I think this green looks really nice. I love the gray 5-spoke wheels, and besides this, the only other 55 Gaster I have is the legendary Hoonigan right here. So this is my first mainline 55 Bel Air Gaster. If you guys haven't noticed, I do have a lot of Gasters as far as Mustangs. And then of course I have the Nova Gaster set, which I'm still missing the baby blue jerry rig version, but this one is really nice. So these have not been in our area. I've been looking and looking, and I just cannot find anything new for E-Case. So I'm definitely stoked that he sent me this. And then check this out guys. Got the worldwide deco of the 67 Camaro in white enamel. This is a really nice variation of it. I love the coupes. Now don't get me wrong, I do like the convertibles of the 69s. The 67s look really nice. Now I still think that the Kroger exclusive is still my favorite variation, but this one also looks pretty sweet too. You do have the black MC5s with the red chrome ring. Then of course you do have tampos all over the hood and trunk. So this is out of the Hot Wheels Dream Garage. So that is awesome. And then right here we do have another Corvette C8R, which he had for me already, but my buddy Mike had sent me the one that I have hanging up there. So now that I have a second one, I can actually free this one out and probably add some taillights, maybe some real riders on there. This is probably one of my favorite castings out of the E-Case, because this car just looks freaking wicked. I love this livery. And last but definitely not least, you have the K&N deco of the C706 convertible in black. Check this out. Now this is the mainline version of the Super, so if I can get my hands on the Super, that would be great and phenomenal. So you do have the headlight tampos like normal on the Corvettes, and then I do love the fact that they have the gold PR5s in the back and then the gray up front. I think it looks really sweet how it kind of ties in the K&N. So she's also going to sit in perfectly with my other Corvette convertibles that I have. I got the orange ZR1, the blue ZR1, and the C706 in blue. So this is officially my second, wow, yeah, this is my second C706 convertible. I thought I had more, but I guess I was confusing it with the ZR1. So definitely glad to have this one in my lineup. So again, Derek, thank you so much for sending me this. If you guys have not checked him out or you don't follow him, go check out his channel. Really good collector. He sends me some awesome stuff, and I'm glad that he was able to hook me up with stuff that I cannot get my hands on. So I'm sure now that I have these in my set, I'm gonna go out and see them hanging on pegs, but at least now I can leave them for somebody else, because finally got some new e-case in my life. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one of these was your favorite release for the e-case. Of course, there's many other ones, but for what I have right here, oh man, I know the Corvette C8 is my favorite all-time cast for e-case. But out of these left, man, it's very hard, but I think the Subaru and the Gaster are tied for second. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite cast and which ones are you trying to get your hands on. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace. Outro. Boom. Bam.